Hey guys, Josh at Bane Tech, and I've got Cruzerlite's Nexus 6 case. This is the smoke color and it's the circuit Droid design, so let's go ahead and get this all out of the packaging and get this put onto the Nexus 6, see what it looks like. Now if you follow my stuff in the past, you know that Cruzerlite is one of my favorite case companies. It's just always been one of my go-to cases that I like to use for my devices, so I'm really curious to see how I like it with the Nexus 6. If you're not familiar with Cruzerlite, this is a TPU kind of case. It's actually surprisingly, protective. It's a thick plastic type material, and it's definitely flexible. To install this, I usually like to start at the bottom, line up the USB port, then just come over to the top, and you can kind of see where the holes are going to line up, and get that all centered up, and you should be good to go. And that's about it. So this is what it looks like all installed. So let's look at the back here. You do have a cutout for your Motorola symbol, so that's kind of neat. Personally, I would actually rather have that covered up just that way, so nothing like gets trapped or scratched up in this area. You do have a cutout for your whole big camera on the back. You get a nice cutout for your headphone jack. Your SIM card tray is covered up. On the side here, you got full access to your power and also your volume rockers. So let's test out the buttons. The power button actually works really nice. I think it has a nice touch to it. And the volume controls are pretty easy to get to as well. And honestly, like if a button is hard to press, I'm not going to use the case, and it's really a deal breaker to me. I like how Cruzerlite cases has full edge protection. All the corners are protected, but every edge is protected, and I like that a lot. It's something that I look for in a case. I don't really like to have exposure on the top or bottom like you see on a lot of snap-on cases. All the snap-on cases do look nice. I just like to have that extra coverage on the edges, because most of the time when you drop a phone, it happens on an edge or a corner. And the other fact about this is that it's raised above the screen, so if you put the phone face down, it's going to be protected, but also if it drops on the face of the phone, you got more of a chance of protection for your screen, so that way it doesn't get broken. Because this case is somewhat see-through, you can see the Nexus through the case, but you also get that nice Android design, the circuit Droid design. And you can really see it when you let it glare through some light. Now something to consider like this kind of case is that it's not very bulky. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to it. It makes it very pocketable, which is a big deal to me because this is a big phone. And if you're going to be pulling it in and out of your pocket, you want something that's easy to get out. If you have something that kind of, drags or gets caught in your pocket, it could become quite annoying. And you're not going to get that with this kind of case. Well, again, Cruzerlite has done it. I really like their cases. I think it's great. And they really do cater to the Android fan. I like their designs. Looks really nice on all their phones. If you want to pick one up for yourself, you can head on over to Amazon. I have a link in the description. Lots of colors to choose from. I think this is a case you should definitely check out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you can see more videos like this. Yeah.